So I did not put the scales on right, and I realized it about right here, so maybe a little less than a quarter of the way through. And at that point, I was not going back to fix it. Plus the soap was still fluid, so I was having enough issues trying to get the scales on without them sinking. So I was like, well, it is what it is. This is what we have. And it's fine. I'm very curious to see what the inside is gonna be like. But I am less than impressed with my fall line. Like, they're fine, just some of them I really do love, and others I'm like, okay, it could have been better. And I think I'm just stressed and trying to get stuff done by a deadline, and it affected my creativity in some ways. So let's see what this one is. So the colors for this were decided upon based on the soap to hoe colors I had available to make the scales, and I had the blues, purple, light purple, dark purple. So I said, okay. And then I also had a lot of white. So I was like, well, I'm gonna make the dragon in white, and I'll make the scales. You can see a little bit of an air gap there. His head got tilted a little, I didn't realize that. I'm gonna make the scales in the blues and purples. And then I was stuck for the base. I was like, I don't know. I thought, why don't I just do white? I'll coat the dragon, which I wish it was just a tad bit more up, in one of these colors. I didn't know which. I went with the dark purple. And then I'll do like these mica lines. And I actually like it. It's different. I think it's kind of cool. And the top looks fine. Like, it works just fine. So it's not as bad as I had anticipated it was gonna be. So I will take it. I have to give myself a win here, because I think I know I'm too critical of myself sometimes. But it's not bad. I had a little too much, like, I wish I had had a little less soap, so I had more equal space between the layers. But that being said, it's totally fine. I still think it's cute. The dragon stands out. The scales stand out. And it's something different. It's not my typical design. So I'll take it. Let me know what you think.